grease how-tos. I'm going to show you how to make honey mustard chicken wings. Let's get straight into it. Alright guys, so just into a bowl, we'll start by adding about 4 tablespoons of sesame oil. And to this, I'm going to add about 2 tablespoons of honey. Next, we'll add about 3 tablespoons of Dijon mustard. Next, we'll add 2 tablespoons of regular soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, 2 teaspoons of garlic powder. And we're just going to give this a whisk and get everything well combined. Now if you want to give this a bit of a kick, you can add a bit of cayenne pepper at this stage. I'm not going to add any because I like it on the sweet side. As for salt, I'm not going to add any salt because the soy sauce itself is already salty. Last thing we need to do is make it more salty. So guys, to this I'm just going to add 500 grams of chicken wings. I've just got a mix of wingettes and drumettes here. Let's give this all a good mix and get all our wings well coated. So we'll just cover this with some cling wrap and we're going to place this into the fridge. I'm going to leave this overnight guys, because we really want all that flavour to get into our chicken wings. If you're in a rush, leave it for about 4 hours and you're good to go, but trust me, overnight's better. Alright guys, so here comes the fun part. So what we'll do is give this a good toss around, make sure they're well coated all over. That smells absolutely amazing right now. So guys, what we're going to do is preheat our oven to 200 degrees Celsius at this point. Now this can also be air fried if you like, as it is the latest craze. You'll be looking at about the same temperature but a reduced cooking time. You can pan fry these, you can grill these, you can do whatever you like. You can even bread them and deep fry them. So if you're going to oven bake, I've just got a tray here that I've lined with some baking paper. And all we're going to do is place our wings straight on. And just leave a bit of a gap between each one. Alright guys, so provided your oven is ready, we're going to go ahead and put this in. So at 200 degrees Celsius, these will take roughly around 40 to 45 minutes. But at the halfway point, we're going to take this out and flip them all over. Now if you're air frying this, I'd go for about 30 to 40 minutes. So it just depends. Obviously you want a nice golden brown finish, and it has to be cooked all the way through. Alright guys, I'm just at the 25-minute mark now, so pretty much halfway. So what we're going to do is just flip them all over. Alright, so back into the oven, we're going to leave it in there for about another 20 to 25 minutes until they're nice and golden brown. Alright guys, I've just gone ahead and pulled them out of the oven and just look how beautiful they look. Nice and sticky, and that's exactly what we want. So let's go ahead and plate this up. Alright, so let's just keep it nice and simple and we'll finish it off with some spring onions on top. Alright guys, and that's my take on honey mustard chicken wings, and what a beautiful result it is. So the oven does most of the work, all we need to do is marinate it, throw it in the oven, and just look at that, how beautiful is that? Just melts in your mouth, and it's so nice and sticky. As always, please make sure to like, share and subscribe. You can also follow me on Facebook, Snapchat, Instagram and TikTok. If you've got any comments or suggestions, just leave them at the bottom, and I'll see you all next time.